Get the blood flowing with the inchworm exercise. It strengthens the muscles of your anterior chain and stretches the muscles of your posterior chain. Move slowly and controlled. Start on the floor, extend your arms, climb your feet up the wall while your hands move closer to the wall. Chest and thighs touch the wall, then move back to starting position. Work and strengthen your chest with the dumbbell bench press. Make sure to get a maximum stretch at the bottom of the movement. The workout is as many rounds as possible in 7 minutes of 10 medicine ball from ground to overhead. The repetition is complete at full extension and 10 medicine ball cleans. Stand shoulder width, the knees in line with the toes. Start with the shoulders over the ball, the arms are straight and the heels down until hips and legs extend. Extend the hips, then shrug the shoulders, pull under and rotate the hands around the ball. Conclude your training with accumulating 1 minute of mountain climbers. 3, 2, 1, go!